The bill comes to the table. Lori looks at the number. Something is wrong. What does she say? Follow Alex and Lori to the restaurant to find out.
Alex, I'm so hungry. I can't work anymore.
Me too. I didn't eat anything this morning.
Do you want to go for lunch?
I don't know. I have a meeting at 2 p.m.
Don't worry, it's only 12. We have enough time.
Okay, you're right.
There's a restaurant near the office. I really like it.
What kind of food do they have?
They have pasta, salads, and soup. The food is really good.
That sounds great. Let's go.
Okay, let me get my bag.
Remember this phrase. Do you want to go for lunch? Use this when you want to invite someone to eat. Lori and Alex arrive at the restaurant. Listen to how they ask for a table.
Excuse me, do you have a table for two?
Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't. Is that okay?
Let me check. One moment, please. Yes, I have a table for you. Please follow me.
Thank you so much.
Here is your table. Is this okay?
Can we sit at that table over there, near the window?
Of course. Please follow me.
Thank you. This is much better.
Remember this phrase. Do you have a table for two? Use this when you arrive at a restaurant and need a table. Now listen to how Alex and Lori order their food.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'd like a water, please.
And for you?
I'd like a juice, please.
Of course. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the pasta, please.
Is there anything else you need?
No, that's everything. Thank you.
And for you?
Do you have pizza?
I'm sorry. We don't have pizza.
Oh, what do you recommend?
The chicken salad is very popular. A lot of people like it.
What's in the chicken salad?
It has lettuce, tomatoes, and grilled chicken.
That sounds good. I'd like the chicken salad, please.
Perfect. So that's one pasta and one chicken salad. Your food will be ready in about 10 minutes. Is there anything else you need?
No, I think that's everything. Thank you.
I'll be right back with your drinks.
Remember this phrase. What do you recommend? Use this when you don't know what to order.
Here is your chicken salad, and here is your soup.
I'm sorry, I think there is a mistake.
Oh, what's the problem?
I ordered the pasta, but I got the soup.
Oh, I'm very sorry about that. Let me fix that for you.
Thank you very much.
The pasta will be ready in a few minutes.
That's okay, thank you.
Remember this phrase. I ordered the pasta, but I got the soup. Use this when a waiter brings you the wrong dish. Lori and Alex finish their meal, but there is a mistake on the bill. Listen to how Lori fixes it.
That was really good. I'm so full now.
Me too, the pasta was delicious. Should we get the bill?
Yes, let's call the waitress. Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Wait, what is this drink on the bill? We didn't order this.
Oh, I'm sorry. That's a mistake. Let me fix the bill.
Thank you.
Here is the new bill.
I'll pay for both of us.
No, you paid last time.
That's okay. You chose a great restaurant today.
Thank you. But let's split the bill. It's easier.
Okay.
Excuse me. Can we have 2 separate bills, please?
Of course. One moment. Here you go. One bill for each of you.
Thank you very much.
Remember this phrase. Can we have 2 separate bills, please? Use this when you pay your own bill. That's the end of today's video. You heard 5 conversations, from inviting a friend to paying the bill. Now, do you remember the question from the beginning? Lori finds a mistake on the bill. What does she say to the waitress? Write your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more real English. Thank you for watching. See you next time.